have a very nice beard. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's too busy with his middle finger at the rock show. Suck my fucking dick! Why are you here? Why are you here? Come here. I want to know why the fuck you're here drinking beer in the back. Bring it. So why? I'm gonna give you the microphone. Tell everybody what you think. You guys fucking suck. Real hoes. Real hoes. Yeah. You, my friend, you're not getting any pussy tonight. So I'm gonna need your help on this shit, alright? So when I say 1, 2, you say fuck you! Are you ready? 1, 2, fuck you! 1, 2, fuck you! Yeah, whenever you guys can do a little bit louder now, just a little bit louder, dedicated to my friends. 1, 2, fuck you! 1, 2, fuck you! Hey, it's all good, you're a good sport, man. Are you on this? Let's go, let's do it one more time! 1, 2, fuck you! 1, 2, fuck you! 1, 2, fuck you! 1, 2, fuck fucking miserable. That sucks. Hey, give that guy a shot for